Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change network name on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin. Currently I'm on Cudy.net, a website which you can basically configure anything else you want about your Cudy network, though you need to enter this website on the device that is currently connected to a Cudy Wi-Fi. Anyway, we want to head to the general settings and then into wireless. And here we can see the SSID, both to our 2.4 wireless network and 5G wireless network. So if you want to just change the name, all you have to do is change it to something else. Let me say, I will remove this part. And now we simply have to hit save and apply in order to apply changes and, well, make our name a little bit different. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.